Is Windows failing to load because of the Secure Socket Tunneling Protocol Service DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. To begin the walkthrough for Secure Socket Tunneling Protocol Service, you can choose the manual path or use a resource designed for environment stability. This is the Secure Socket Tunneling Protocol Service, the Secure Socket Tunneling Protocol SSTP Service Library. It provides the infrastructure for SSL-based VPN connections, allowing remote users to securely access private networks over HTTPS. It manages the Sstpsvc service. If corrupted, users will be unable to establish SSTP VPN tunnels, often receiving error 0x80070422, or the service cannot be started when attempting to connect to a corporate network. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. Sstpsvc is an essential component maintained directly by the operating system. To resolve this, run sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a full integrity scan and repair any corrupted Windows binaries. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Secure Socket Tunneling Protocol Service component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. If you're still offline after the reboot, we need to clear out the corrupted network routes manually. Open command prompt as admin, then run these 2 commands. First, type nidtsh space int space ip space reset, then hit enter. Second, type nitsh space winsock space reset, then hit enter again. Why are we doing this? Well, connectivity files manage the flow of data across your system. Resetting the network stack clears out stagnant routing table errors and refreshes the underlying protocol manifests. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Avoid the trap of unofficial file repositories for Secure Socket Tunneling Protocol Service DLL, as these platforms are frequently utilized to distribute persistent browser hijackers and unwanted adware. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. Review system security and background process optimization concepts using the maintenance kit linked below for Secure Socket Tunneling Protocol Service. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including Secure Socket Tunneling Protocol Service dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.